Mahatma Gandhi, a name synonymous with non-violence, was born and raised in Gujarat, India, a region that shaped his principles and ideals. Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence extended beyond human relationships to encompass all living beings, especially animals. Among them, the cow held a unique position in his worldview, symbolizing service, sustenance, and moral duty. He saw the cow as a representation of all animals, a creature deserving of respect and protection for its immense contributions to human society. Gandhi believed that the ancient sages recognized the cow's economic and cultural value, deeming it sacred not as an object of worship equal to God, but as an embodiment of selfless service. In his writings, Gandhi articulated his stance on cow protection. Addressing a Muslim colleague, he explained, if I can live well on other sources of sustenance, it is sinful for me to destroy cows for my needs. This, I hold, is the law of our religion or dharmic behavior, extended compassion to all creatures. Gandhi advocated for dialogue and understanding rather than confrontation. He believed persuasion was the key to encouraging mutual respect among different communities. Should I fight with my Muslim brother to save a cow? He asked rhetorically in a Hind Swaraj. No, for doing so, I harm not just him, but the very cause of nonviolence. Instead, I must appeal to his conscience, urging him to join in protecting her. However, Gandhi did not shy away from critiquing his own community. He often rebuked Hindus for neglecting or mistreating cows, overworking bullocks, or selling unproductive cattle to butchers. How can we speak against others when we ourselves exploit these creatures for profit? He lamented. For Gandhi, true reform began with self discipline and education. At his ashrams, he demonstrated a model of non-violent living, integrating vegetarianism, manual labor, and care for animals. These communities also maintained cows, embodying Gandhi's vision of a harmonious, self sustaining life. Beyond spiritual and ethical reason, Gandhi viewed cow protection as a practical necessity for India, an agricultural country deeply reliant on cattle. He proposed innovative ideas such as attaching tanneries to cow shelters where leather could be derived only from naturally deceased animals, thus combining economic viability with ethical integrity. Ultimately, Gandhi's vision for cow protection was rooted in a profound respect for life and yearning to restore India's ancient dharmic values. He saw the cow as a poem of pity, a symbol of vulnerability that could inspire collective compassion and serve as a cornerstone for nonviolent society. For Gandhi, the protection of cow was not just about saving an animal, it was a moral imperative, a call to live in harmony with all beings. This principle of nonviolence, he believed, could illuminate the path to a just and enlightened world.